everyone, and welcome back to Begin with Miss English channel. Learning English is easy and fun. I am Lily.
Hello, Lily. I am James.
Hi, James.
I am very excited today. So, Lily, what is today's story?
Today, we have a beautiful love story for you. It is about a young girl named Emma. She goes on a camping trip and finds true love in the mountains.
Wow, that sounds amazing. I love adventure stories.
Yes, this story has romance, adventure, and even scary moments. It is perfect for English learners.
Before we start, everyone please subscribe to our channel. Click that subscribe button now.
Yes, please subscribe, and do not forget to turn on notifications. You can learn many useful English phrases from this story.
That is right. Listen carefully to the conversation.
These phrases are very useful in daily life. You can use them when you talk to your friends and family.
So, everyone, get comfortable, relax, and enjoy the story.
Okay then, let us begin the story.
My name is Emma Rose, and this is the story about how I find true love in the most dangerous place. It is about a summer that changes my life forever. I am 20 years old. I live in a small town with my family. My life is simple and quiet. But that summer, everything changes. It starts on June 15th. My best friend Sarah invites me to go camping in Rocky Mountain. At first, I say no. I am afraid of the wild animals and dark forests. Sarah says, "Please, come with me. It will be fun. We need an adventure." Finally, I agree to go. We plan to camp for 3 days. We pack our bags with food, water, and warm clothes. My mother is worried about me. She says, "Be careful in the mountains. Always stay together." We arrive at the mountain on a sunny morning. The air is fresh and cool. The trees are tall and green. Everything looks beautiful and peaceful. We walk on a long trail. After 2 hours, we find a good spot near a river. We set up our tent and make a fire. The sun goes down. The sky turns orange and pink. I say to Sarah, "This place is amazing." That night, we hear strange sounds in the forest. Something moves in the dark. Sarah is sleeping, but I cannot sleep. I am too scared. Suddenly, I hear a voice outside our tent. The voice says, "Hello? Is anyone there?" I open the tent slowly. A tall boy stands near our fire. He has dark hair and brown eyes. He looks about 22 years old. He carries a big backpack. He says, "I am sorry to scare you. My name is Marco. I get lost on the trail. Can I stay near your fire tonight?" I look at him carefully. He seems honest and kind. I say, "Okay, but do not come close to our tent." Marco smiles at me. He says, "Thank you. I promise I will not bother you." We talk for a long time that night. Marco tells me he is from Mexico. He comes to America 3 years ago with his family. He loves hiking and photography. He wants to take pictures of wild animals in the mountains. I ask him, "Why do you hike alone?" He says, "I like the peace. In the mountains, I feel free." I understand what he means. There is something special about him. His voice is calm. His eyes are warm. I feel safe with him. The next morning, Sarah wakes up and sees Marco. She is surprised and a little angry. She asks me, "Who is this person?" I say, "This is Marco. He gets lost last night." Sarah does not trust him at first. But Marco is very polite and helpful. He helps us cook breakfast. He tells us funny stories about his travels. Soon, Sarah likes him too. Sarah says to Marco, "You can hike with us today." We walk together through the forest. Marco shows us beautiful places that we do not know about. He finds a secret waterfall behind some rocks. The water is clear and cold. We take many pictures. I feel happy when I am with Marco. He makes me laugh. He listens to my dreams. I tell him I want to become a teacher. I want to help children learn about the world. Marco says, "You will be a great teacher. You have a kind heart." My face becomes warm when he says that. I look down at the ground. Sometimes I see him looking at me. When I look back, he looks away. One day, we sit together and eat lunch. Sarah says, "I finish my food. I go to the river to wash my hands." Sarah walks away. We are alone now. My heart starts to beat fast. Suddenly, Marco says, "Emma, when I see you, I feel something strange. I never feel this way before." He holds my hand. I cannot move. My heart beats very hard now. He says, "I think I..." Just then, Sarah comes back. He cannot say what he wants to say. What does he want to tell me? Does he want to say he loves me? On the second night, something scary happens. We hear a loud noise near our camp. It sounds like a big animal. Marco stands up quickly. He says to us, "Stay behind me." We see 2 red eyes in the dark. A large bear walks toward us. Sarah screams. I cannot move. I am frozen with fear. Marco picks up a big stick. He starts making loud noises. He throws rocks near the bear. The bear stops and looks at us. It is very close now. Marco whispers, "Do not run. Stay calm." My heart beats so fast. I hold Sarah's hand tight. Marco keeps making noise. He moves slowly toward the bear. He is so brave. Finally, the bear turns around. It walks back into the forest. We are safe. Sarah and I are shaking. Marco comes back to us. He puts his arms around both of us. He says, "It is okay now. The bear is gone." I look up at Marco. His face is close to mine. Our eyes meet. At that moment, I know I love him. I say quietly, "You save us." Marco says to me, "I will always protect you." That night, Sarah goes to sleep early. Marco and I sit by the fire alone. The stars shine bright above us. The forest is quiet and peaceful. Marco says, "Emma, I need to tell you something." I ask, "What is it?" Marco says, "I need to say this to you. I try to say it one time before, but I cannot say it. I cannot keep this inside anymore. Tonight is our last night together." My heart starts beating so hard. What does Marco want to tell me? Is it what I think it is? He says, "I think you are amazing. From the moment I see you, I feel something special. I know we just meet, but I feel like I know you my whole life. Emma, I love you." My heart feels like it will explode. I look at his beautiful face in the firelight. I say, "I feel the same way. I love you too, Marco." Marco holds my hand. It feels warm and strong. We sit together in silence. We do not need words anymore. Then Marco moves closer to me. He touches my face gently. He kisses me under the stars. It is my first real kiss. Time stops in that moment. The next morning, we have to leave. Sarah packs the tent. Marco helps us carry our bags. I feel sad because I do not want to say goodbye to him. We walk back to the parking area together. My car waits there. Marco looks at me with sad eyes. He asks, "Will I see you again?" I write my phone number on a piece of paper. I give it. I say, "Call me every day." Marco says, "I promise." He kisses me one more time. Then he walks away into the forest. I watch him until he disappears. Tears run down my face. Sarah puts her hand on my shoulder. She says, "He will call you. I can see that he loves you." She is right. Marco calls me that same night. We talk for 3 hours. We talk every day after that. 2 weeks later, he comes to visit me at my house. My family loves him. He becomes part of my life. This is my story. I find my love in the mountains. It starts with one brave choice. True love is the most beautiful adventure.
Wow, that was such a beautiful story.
Yes, I love how Emma finds love in the mountains. It is so romantic.
And Marco is so brave. He saves them from the bear.
That is true. Now let us talk about the useful phrases in this story. We have 5 important phrases for you today.
Yes. The first phrase is be careful. This means you want someone to be safe and watch out for danger.
For example, when you go out at night, your mother says, "Be careful on the road."
Perfect example. The second phrase is stay calm. This means do not panic, keep your mind peaceful.
Yes. For example, during an exam, your teacher says, "Stay calm and do your best."
Good one. The third phrase is just then. This means at that exact moment, suddenly something happens.
For example, I am walking to school. Just then, it starts to rain.
Nice. The fourth phrase is it is okay now. This means the problem is finished, everything is safe again.
For example, your baby brother is crying. You pick him up and say, "It is okay now. Do not cry."
Very good. And the last phrase is true love. This means real, deep love that lasts forever.
For example, my grandparents are married for 50 years. They have true love.
Beautiful. So everyone, practice these 5 phrases every day.
Yes, use them when you talk to people. This will improve your English speaking.
Now we have a fun activity for you. Pick one phrase from this story. Make your own sentence with that phrase.
Yes, write your sentence in the comments below. We want to see your creativity.
We will read all the comments and we will choose the best sentence.
The person with the best sentence will get a special shout out in our next video.
So start writing now. Which phrase do you like? Be careful, stay calm, just then, it is okay now, or true love.
Make a sentence and comment below. We are waiting to see your sentences.
Do not forget to subscribe to our channel. We have many more stories for you.
Yes, subscribe now.
See you in the next video. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, and keep practicing.